deep cleaning on Sony PlayStation 5. Thank you, Sir DFG Kyle, for trusting PETIT Solutions. A comprehensive deep cleaning service was performed on the Sony PlayStation 5 to ensure optimal thermal performance, reduce system noise, and prevent potential overheating caused by dust and debris buildup. The console was brought in after the user noticed increased fan noise and system heat, which are common indicators of airflow blockage and thermal inefficiency due to extended usage without maintenance. The process began with the careful disassembly of the PlayStation 5, including the removal of the side panels and internal shielding to access the key internal components. These included the large cooling fan, heatsink, motherboard, power supply unit, and air vents. Each of these areas is critical for proper ventilation and cooling, and even light dust buildup can severely impact system performance. Dust and debris were thoroughly removed using anti-static tools, compressed air, and a precision vacuum. The large internal fan was cleaned to ensure that its blades could spin freely without obstruction. The heatsink fins, where dust tends to collect and restrict heat dissipation, were carefully brushed and cleared. The power supply unit and all ventilation paths were also cleaned to allow uninterrupted airflow in and out of the console. Special attention was given to the processor, APU area. The existing thermal paste was inspected and replaced with a high-quality thermal compound if it showed signs of drying or cracking. This step is crucial for maintaining efficient heat transfer between the processor and the heatsink, preventing thermal throttling and shutdowns during intensive gaming sessions. Once all components were cleaned and the thermal system re-optimized, the PlayStation 5 was reassembled and thoroughly tested. The console was powered on and monitored for fan noise, internal temperature stability, and performance under load. All test results confirmed that the console was operating more quietly and at significantly lower temperatures compared to pre-cleaning conditions. This deep cleaning service not only resolved the thermal and acoustic issues, but also helped extend the overall lifespan of the Sony PlayStation 5 by maintaining a clean, cool, and stable operating environment. Regular maintenance like this is highly recommended to preserve performance and protect internal components from long-term heat-related damage. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.